Good morning everyone. Today we have to do lesson number 2 of unit number 1. You all are required to open page number 3 of your book. Now children, at the top of the page you can see 8 pictures. You have to read what is written at the bottom of the picture with me. Number 1, crab. Number 2, beach. Number 3, whale. Number 4, bay. Number 5, seabed. Number 6, shark. Number 7, coast. And number 8, shellfish. Now, we'll start with crab. What is a crab? Have a look. A crab is a crustacean found chiefly on seashores, and it has 5 pairs of legs. You can see the picture of 2 different types of crab. Now, at number 2 we have beach. I'm sure you must have gone to beach. You must have seen a beach. It's in Karachi. If anyone has gone to Karachi, they must have seen a beach. Now what is a beach? Beach is the dry land which is the boundary of the sea or boundary of the big area containing water. Now this sandy area is beach. At number 3 we have whale. It's a big fish. Bay. Now what is a bay? Let's see. It is a broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inward. As you can see in the picture, the land is curving inward. I was reading somewhere about bay. Bay is normally surrounded by land at 3 sides. If you can see in the picture, bay is surrounded by land at 1, 2 and 3 sides. Okay. The next word is seabed. What is a seabed? It is the bottom of the sea. Let's see. The ground under the sea. The ocean floor. This is seabed. The ground of the sea. Next is shark. I'm sure you must have seen sharks, especially in cartoon or English movies. It's a big fish. Number 7 we have coast. Now what is a coast? Let's see. The part of the land adjoining or near the sea. It's a part of the land. As you can see here, the part of the land which is adjoining sea or near the sea. This is a coast. This all area is the coast. Shellfish. You can see so many beautiful shellfish here. People, they open these shells in some countries and they eat flesh inside it. The flesh inside shellfish is normally very soft, tender and easy to eat. Now children, let's do question number 2. Sort the words from exercise 1 into 2 groups as shown below. Now you know the meanings of all the words given above. You can easily do it. A. Places. Beach is a place. Now see in the picture. What else is a place? See. Is shark a place? No. Is coast a place? Yes. Is shellfish a place? No. Is bay a place? Yes. And what about seabed? Is it a fish? No, it's a place. Bottom of the sea. Similarly, what about crab, shark, whale, shellfish? They are all living things. So you will write here on the space given here. Now, let's move on to question number 3. Use the words from exercise 1 to complete this story. Last Saturday, we went whale watching. Every September, these huge creatures swim along this part of the dash. We saw three large groups of whales. At lunchtime, we sailed back to the coast and stopped and had our picnic lunch for lunch. After lunch, we hunted in the rock pools. They move very fast. We caught about 25. Wow, this means here is something which they caught about 25 after the lunch. When we were climbing back onto the boat, my watch fell off. It sank and ended up on the... I wanted to dive to get it, but the captain said, "Don't swim here. There's a dash swimming in the bay." So something very dangerous must be swimming in the bay. So I never got my watch back. No, children? In the end, you must have read the whole paragraph, and now you have to search for certain words to fill up all these blanks. Okay, let's read it again and find appropriate answers. Every September, these huge creatures swim along this part of the... Yes, come on. Coast. This part of the coast. We saw three groups of whales. At lunchtime, we sailed back to the coast and stopped. Where they have stopped? Stopped in a bay. Yes, and stopped in a bay and had our picnic lunch on the beach, because you know, beach is a sandy area. Here someone can sit and eat. Now, for lunch we had shellfish, because as I've told you earlier, the flesh of the shellfish is very tender, soft and easy to eat. After lunch, we hunted for crabs in the rock pools. They move very fast. Since crabs, they have a lot of legs, 5 pairs of legs, so they move very fast. We caught about 25. Crabs are easy to catch. When we were climbing back onto the boat, my watch fell off. It sank and ended up on the seabed, because it sank. That's why I'm saying it ended on the seabed. I wanted to dive to get it, but the captain said, "Don't swim here. There's a shark, a very dangerous creature, swimming in the bay." So I never got my watch back. I hope all of you have done the exercise. Lovely. Now children, question number 4. Question number 4, you have to do it yourself. You have to look up for the words given in this box, and you have to write the words with the sounds given below. Beach, for example, beach, boat, E sounds and O sounds. Okay? One example has already been done for you. You have to do this exercise yourself, and I'll be sharing the answers with you in a while. Good luck, children. Now we have completed unit number 2, and tomorrow we will start the next lesson.